Are you planning to upgrade your CCTV system in 2025 but still confused between DVR and NVR? In this video, we'll break down both recorders in a simple, clear, and fully engaging way so you can choose the best option for your home or office security. Let's start with DVR, or Digital Video Recorder, which is the classic system used with analog cameras. DVRs use coaxial cables, making installation straightforward and budget-friendly, but the video quality you get is limited, usually HD or slightly higher, depending on the camera. DVRs are great for small setups where you just need basic recording, playback, and mobile viewing without advanced features. However, DVRs don't support modern AI functions like human or vehicle detection, face recognition, or smart alerts, and as technology moves fast in 2025, DVR systems are slowly becoming outdated. Now let's talk about NVR, or Network Video Recorder, which represents the modern, future-ready side of CCTV technology. NVR works exclusively with IP cameras, which means you get crystal clear HD, 2000, 4000, and even 8MP plus video quality. With NVRs, video is processed digitally end-to-end, giving you sharper details, better night vision, and overall higher security performance. NVR systems support advanced AI features such as human detection, smart motion tracking, face recognition, line crossing detection, vehicle alerts, and cloud integration. One big advantage of NVR is power over Ethernet, where a single cable powers the camera and sends video, making installation clean and modern. If you're looking for future-proof security, scalability, and smart home compatibility, NVR is the clear technological leader in 2025. But the comparison doesn't end there. DVR is cheaper upfront but limited in features and long-term value. NVR costs more initially, but it gives you better quality, more control, better analytics, and longer lifespan. DVR is for users who want simple monitoring with no advanced AI, while NVR is for users who want smart security that actively alerts, detects, and responds. So which is the best CCTV recorder in 2025? For most people, the answer is clearly NVR because it delivers higher resolution, smarter features, cleaner installation, and future-ready performance. DVR is only worth choosing if you are on a strict budget or already have analog cameras and don't plan to upgrade anytime soon. Think of DVR as an older basic phone good for calls only, while NVR is like a modern smartphone with advanced tools, apps, and intelligence. By understanding these differences, you can choose the recorder that matches your home, office, and long-term security needs. And if this video helped you understand the real comparison between DVR and NVR, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications for more CCTV reviews, setup guides, and practical tutorials from Technical One Anchor.